The introduction of Dash traces all the way back to the year 2014 when a prominent American crypto master Evan Duffield initially presented the Dash coin. At first, as a coin, it was a revamp or part of Litecoin to support parallel, yet soon it was more famous as Dark Coin. This also became history when Duffield chose to course the execution of this digital currency for making cash installments and initiated it as Dash, for example, computerized money. Despite the fact that Duffield and his forceful group put together Dash with respect to the system of the codebase as Bitcoin, Dash was intended to stand separated with particular highlights integrated. The resource went through a few changes before it at last demonstrated its determination at the trade. Before we dive into the Dash cost expectation, let us view a portion of the remarkable highlights of Dash. Dash, grasping the idea. This comes at no additional expense with complete straightforwardness and security. In the Dash Research Center, specialized examination. Like other digital currencies, the Dash coin also is to a great extent reliant upon market development and is profoundly defenseless. Specialists change as they would see it and cost expectation about the commitments Dash holds in the years to come. Consequently, the development pace of the Dash coin makes it exceptionally unusual. In any case, it might not be completely precluded that the Dash at any point cost might show reliable development after some time. The vision of Dash stands tall and firm. Leaving impressions on the mechanical and practical ecospace, Dash sustains trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the clients overall simple. Notwithstanding, there remain multitudinal factors that go about as deciding elements at the cost of Dash. There are factors separated from the over that administer the cost of Dash equitably, viz., weightage normal pointers, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving midpoints are among the most regularly utilized markers to recognize significant obstruction and backing levels. Any Dash/USD cost accelerations occurring over these midpoints will serious areas of strength for show. Brokers additionally prefer to utilize the RSI and Fibonacci retracement level pointers to attempt to find out the future Dash figure regarding current cost developments. Crypto Unpredictability File, CVIX. This record concentrates on instability and cost vacillations, gauging the deviations. How much dynamism or vacillations decides the presentation of Dash. A lot of Dash vacillations create dread in the personalities of financial backers and upset them from buy. Relative Strength File, RSI. This waits on the bullish recuperation from bearing levels closed the oversold. RSI comes to the overbought, the purchase orders will undoubtedly increment, making more volume that will uphold the update in the close to term. Associated Dash. The crypto resources which are connected with Dash coin yet don't perform well on the trade autonomously rule the cost of Dash as well. Relationship among organic market, which is a well-established peculiarity of inconsistent connection of interest and supply, works for Dash coin. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for a tremendous scope, no big surprise the Dash cost will go childhood, the stockpile might descend. Security concerns. These are bottlenecks which when they represent negative exposure might carry the cost down because of mass selling. The notoriety of dApps. If the interest for decentralized applications goes up, as it has during the period of pandemic, in the future too it will hold really great for this advanced resource as well. Aside from CVIX and other aforementioned markers, the exchanging volume of Dash is likewise a pointer to comprehend its cost elements and the conjecture it holds. Merchants come to showcase with yearnings that the digital money they hold will guarantee incredible returns for the crypto market. In any case, because of the pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for elective choices and in any event, supporting. As of now, the cost of $128.84, as shown by Dash, is appealing and sharp, yet it can shoot to better levels. Clearly, this is the most suitable chance to benefit in the Dash market by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing broker. To comprehend the value forecasts of Dash better, it would be great to dig further into the past narrative of Dash. Soon after Dash showed up on trade in 2014, its most memorable enormous flood came, and among April and May, its cost rose from $5.847417 to $15.9679, an extensive leap that mirrored a tremendous measure of early financial backer interest. Its development was a lot more slow until the end of 2014, 2015, and 2016, with its cost for the most part floating somewhere in the range of $15 and $25. Not at all like numerous other cryptos, the Dash cost saw outrageous development for practically the aggregate of 2017. In January, its cost was $43.82. By September, it had ascended to an amazing $50.49, yet even that was too could not hope to compare to the development spree that looked for it. As the Dash market in general began to encounter levels of colossal expansion, Dash absolutely would not have been abandoned. Among October and December 2017, its cost jumped up from $50.50 to $61.14, prior to dropping down to $47.26 1 year after the fact in December 2018. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, when any remaining monetary forms showed a grim presentation, Dash has displayed an uncommon change fluctuating between $75 to $90. Subsequently, Dash acquired financial backer certainty and saw an extraordinary flooding force. A great deal of exchanges unfolded and cash changed hands. At the hour of composing this video, Dash remained at $128.84. Going by the pandemic stage, this can be considered a wonderful triumph. Dash would arrive at a characteristic of around $247.94 according to the Dash cost forecast anticipated cost by 2026. It completely relies upon the contender's development and the market state of mind. The manner by which various existing Dash tokens are situated, a journey of $200, best case scenario, can be anticipated. Assuming we take a gander at the Dash figure, it tends to be anticipated that the coin would cruise around a value scope of $161. Dash value forecast 2022. Now that we've recapped how precisely Dash functions, how about we start by taking a gander at the Dash cost expectations for 2022. However, there are better possibilities not too far off hiding for Dash, with organizations like longforecast.com making various stories out and out have gotten some decent momentum. Seeing not ecstatic costs, financial backers might select to peruse different forecasts that sound more hopeful. An examination of different Dash cost expectations assists us with presuming that Dash may, without a doubt, give a staggering exhibition in the year 2022. It very well may be the impact of pandemic settling down or antibody setup, or so far as that is concerned, government-issued types of money have bombed their test. Dash value